Hey everyone, it's Heya here, and this is my everyday witch makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a witchy thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with your friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or thoughts in the comments box below. Now I know I did call this like an everyday witch makeup. It's kind of because this is almost my everyday makeup. Or practically, not every day because I hardly ever wear makeup, but more of my going out makeup. This is sort of the style that I choose. And I've just completed making a witch's hat, which is this weird shadow on my head that you probably can't see in the camera. And this was really just an excuse to do a makeup look with a witch's hat.
As per usual, I'm starting this makeup off by applying concealer where it's needed. Then I'm using my liquid foundation mixed with some moisturizer and applying that all over my face and down my neck as well. Powdering over the top with my foundation. Applying some white eye primer to my lids. Putting on some contour just around my cheekbones and jawline. Then using the third green across in the Chi Pride palette, I'm applying that all over my lid and blending it up and above the crease. Now using the fifth colour across in my Chi Pride palette, I'm applying that more towards the outer corner of my eye and blending it more closely to the crease and across my eye towards the inner corner. Then I'm lining my eyes with my mechanical black eyeliner. Then I'm filling in my eyebrows with some black eyeshadow. Using my cheap little cream eyeliner that I don't have a brand name for, and just applying more of a cat's eye to my eyelids. I'm not that proficient with lining my eyes, and so I did kind of do a sort of swallowtail on them, but they are severely uneven, so hence why later on I will be covering half my face with my hair anyway. And once the eyeliner is put down, I am going over the top of it and setting it with some more black eyeshadow. Then I'm applying mascara to my upper and lower lashes. And filling in my lips with some black lip suede from NYX in the shade Alien, although it's black, so I don't know, they're like fancy names. And once I've filled in my lips, I am just patting off any excess lipstick because that will actually stick onto the powder and the powder won't actually stick onto your lips, if that made any sense. Then I'm using the fourth green across in the Chi Pride palette, so I'm just applying that all to the middle of my lips and fading it towards the outer corner on both the upper and lower lips.